In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two 5x7 designs on one page in Canva, ensuring your projects are both creative and efficient. Let's get started by navigating over to the Canva website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Continue button. This step helps you seamlessly transition into your Canva workspace. If you haven't already, you'll need to select your Google account. Look for your account, click on it, and then hit Continue to proceed. This will log you into Canva, allowing you access to all your projects and tools. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start a new project. Look for the Create button, which allows you to initiate a fresh canvas for your designs. For this particular project, we want an A4 landscape format since we're placing two 5x7 images side by side. So in the search bar within Canva, type in A4 landscape and select the first option that appears. With your blank canvas ready, click on File in the menu bar and then choose Add Guides. Guides are incredibly helpful for aligning elements and maintaining the symmetry of your designs. Next, click on Custom to access additional guide settings. Here you will set the columns to 2. By doing this, you're creating two equal vertical spaces where each of your 5x7 designs will be positioned. Adjust the gap between the columns to 1.1 centimeters. This spacing ensures there's enough distance between the two images, avoiding any overlap while maintaining a clean, professional look. To further refine the layout, specify the margins. You'll want to set one margin to 1.6 centimeters and the other to 1.7 centimeters. These measurements help center your designs and optimize the use of space on the page. We're almost done setting up our canvas. The next step is to set the rows to 1. Since we're only working with two horizontal designs, this setting minimizes any unnecessary complexity and keeps the canvas orderly. Finally, after you've configured these settings, click on Add Guides once more to confirm your layout. The guides will visibly divide your A4 canvas, allowing you to effortlessly position your two 5x7 designs within the canvas. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your page to feature two 5x7 designs using Canva's tools. This format is perfect for those who want to print or display images side by side without them being cluttered or misaligned. Following these steps, you have ensured that your creations are not only visually appealing but also professionally presented. Thank you for watching and happy designing.